Springboard is a design and development consultancy and the design center of excellence for the Sanner Group. We are experts at developing medical devices, including drug delivery devices, from initial concept through to manufacture. Many of our clients come to us because we have a unique combination of focusing on medical devices, creating innovative yet robust designs from a blank sheet of paper through to manufacture and solving difficult technical problems quickly. We have no internal projects, so we are as cost-effective as possible, and the intellectual property is assigned to our clients. All the work that we do is conducted under ISO 13485 quality management system. And the most important metric we use on the success of a project is client feedback to ensure quality. At Springboard, we believe that the fastest, most efficient, and most robust way to develop a product is to really understand how it works, not just what it's designed to do. That's why our team goes beyond just design and engineering to include expertise in materials science, low-temperature physics, biochemistry, surface science, magnetics, and a whole lot more. Our industrial design activities start from the very beginning, and we discover all we can about the product and the user. We can offer human factors activities either as a standalone piece of work or as part of a full development process. We use a systematic approach to first map out design options and then converge on the best solutions. The complexity of design transfer often gets overlooked, and projects get delayed by extra rounds of design for manufacture work. The value we can add by being part of the Sanner Group is we can work seamlessly through from design to manufacture. We have the capabilities to work with clients at all stages of the development process, build rapid-tooled prototypes up to small batches, so we can provide functional parts that quickly give confidence and reduce the risks associated with scaling up and ultimately reduce time to market. We've applied forensic engineering principles across a wide variety of industries and developed a holistic approach to root cause investigations that we think makes the process more efficient. This could involve building functional maps for a system to understand exactly how it works, and draws upon tools such as interaction matrices and cause-effect chains, coupled with real data to build hypotheses and identify the highest risk priority items. Our multidisciplinary team of engineers and scientists consider device development from all angles. For our clients, that means a faster time to market and a more robust product. Please do not hesitate to get in touch if you have any questions about medical device development.